We are pleased to show you the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.